going to practice deep back bend, so don't miss out these two exercises. These exercises really helpful to warm up the whole the spine without give you injury. So let's see these exercises. So after warm up, this is a one exercise out of two. Bend forward, open the chest like that, bend the elbow, and you have to be arch back here. Okay, leave the center of chest here. Arms open maximum here. Don't bend the knee. We must have to leave the center of chest here. Kick the heel down and arch back here. If you can look back, perfect. Okay guys, ready? Now legs open. Everyone, let's we start together. Bend forward 90 degree, arms forward in front of face. Inhale. Open the arms, open the chest, arch back, try to look back. And exhale, bend forward. Keep doing. Inhale, arms open. And exhale, bend forward. Inhale, arms open, try to look back. And exhale, forward. Inhale, open the chest maximum, kick the heel, leave the center of chest. Exhale, bend forward. Inhale, open the arms here, arch back. Exhale, bend forward. Inhale, arch back, look back. Exhale, bend forward. That's good guys here. Relax for a while. Shake the legs, move the legs and relax your spine here. Twist also. Do twisting, a gentle relaxation, sidewise twisting here guys. So now we will do the second exercise for the warming up the whole the spine. Get ready. In this one, look here, arms open. From down we will go up, little bit finger lock, and then we go arch back here. In this one, remember, we will keep our both arms nearby. That's good here. Bend forward, relax here. Same. Inhale, arch back like that. Leave the center of chest and exhale, bend forward here. Okay guys, so let's do that here. Everybody get ready. So first we start here. Bend forward, everyone go down and then raise your arms upward from the back side here. Legs open, remember. Get ready? Let's do that here. Now inhale, arms forward slowly, slowly. Finger lock, arms together and arch back. Exhale, bend forward. That's good here, everyone. Keep continue. Inhale, arms forward, finger lock, arch back, look back. And exhale, bend forward. Inhale, slowly, slowly, lift the body up, arch back. And exhale. So this is the second exercise.